Gateron Quinns. Requested by one of my subscribers, I'm very glad I listened. The Quinns are a new tactile from Gateron. When you think of really good tactiles, personally I don't really think of Gateron, but they've absolutely smashed it with this one. I normally lean towards heavy, big bump kind of tactiles, but these are really mellow compared. They're definitely in that light to medium sort of tactility category, along with the SB Star Magic Girls and the Ajaz Bananas I've tried. It's certainly a noticeable bump, but even whilst gaming, it doesn't really get in the way like other heavier tactiles. Unlike other medium switches though I've tried, these have a long pole stem, so it makes them sound fantastic. The nylon housing and POM long pole stem give it a really solid bottom out sound and a really balanced pitch. At 69 cents a switch, in that really middle to high end on price, I personally think this is completely worth. One of my new favourites. 26 out of 30.